Investing in Health Part 14 आहारविधि विशेषायतन संयोग वैद्य दिलीप गाडगिल पुणे. So I am speaking about the combination of varieties of things together, and there are certain combinations which are harmful in nature. The combinations of milk particularly I was talking about with fruits in the last episode. Now viruddham amlam payatha sah sarvam phalam tata, that is what the stanza says. So all sour things, amla, are again viruddha with milk. And so these combinations have to be avoided. Particularly in India, there is a custom of eating curds or buttermilk, which is sour in taste. And many people have a habit to have it in the end of their meal, and without that they don't get the satisfaction with that. So in this scenario, it is better to understand the effects of curds and buttermilk, which are sour in nature. There are various restrictions on curds or yogurt that is available in the Western countries. Now people understand it as cool, but it's not really cool. It's hot in nature, by variant or something like that. And so this should not be consumed in autumn, in summer and in spring season. Only in rainy season and in winter, curds is allowed. That too only in the lunch and not in the dinner. And one should not get habituated to it, like eating it every day or something like that. So this can produce varieties of bad effects, and we get varieties of cases due to improper consumption of curds or yogurt. So better to avoid that. Buttermilk is a better option which doesn't have these restrictions as such. What one can do, if one is fond of eating curds or yogurt or buttermilk, which is very sour in taste, then should consume it alone with the rice. One should not put milk into that to reduce the sour taste. So either one may have milk with rice, or buttermilk is a better option with rice, or curds is a better option with rice, less better option with rice. But observing all the restrictions about the curds, then that is fine or something like that. In practice, some people do like it very much, and they won't get satisfaction of that. So they are emphasizing on curd rice or this buttermilk and rice, but they should not put milk into that. Another good example of milk and sour combination is paneer and cheese. In India, paneer is more used in varieties of ways and in on mass scale, etc. So the lemon juice is added to milk, and then it gets separated into a solid part and a liquid part, and the solid part is the paneer, and then that is consumed in varieties of ways. But as such, this is not a very good combination. But the Ayurvedic texts do describe paneer, and they say that it is shukra nidra kapakara. It increases shukra, it brings you sleep, but it increases kapha as well, shukra also. So in limited situation this may be taken, but the agni should be good, the digestive power should be good, and one should be able to digest it properly. Otherwise, there are varieties of restrictions, particularly about paneer. And cheese has so many processes, it is kept under process for a prolonged period. So we have to think about cheese in a different manner. So we'll continue with this paneer and cheese next time. Namaste.